11D. I forgot what I gave you, but it was, yes, 14. Number 14, solve the equation, okay. So we got 3x over x plus 1, is that the start of it? Is that right? Is that it, right? Yes. Okay, I need to sneeze. I can't. Shoot. I knew that was coming. I can't cross multiply it on this one because we have that plus 2 that got in the way. So what I'm going to do is, you know that this is the same thing as x plus 1, x minus 1. Agree? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything by x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, so if I do that there, this is going to cancel, and that's going to give me 3x, x minus 1. For here, all of that cancels. That gives me 12. And then for the last thing, that gives me x squared minus 1, which is the same thing as x plus 1, x minus 1. Is that okay so far? All right. So I'll distribute over on the parentheses, so I'll get 3x squared minus 3x equals 12. Distribute the 2. Are you okay that I made this back to x squared minus 1? Are you okay with that? Yeah. Okay. 2x squared minus 2. Let's move the 2x squared over, so I get x squared over here. So that's gone. No, nothing there. That's going to give me 10. So if I put those together, it gives me 10. So I'll bring that over, minus 10 equals 0. So I get x minus 5, x plus 2 when it factors, which gives me x equals 5 and x equals negative 2. Both of those answers would be fine because none of them plugged into the original would give me a denominator that would be 0. Oh, I brought it over. Went 2x squared, so I subtracted. Oh, wait. Yeah, so basically what it is, I went minus 2x squared, minus 2x squared, and that gave me the x squared. Is that all right? What else do you see? What else can I help you with? Good? Happy? Should we just do the capstone now? And then we'll just be done for the rest of the year. Everyone else is like, we're still working. Well, we did a capstone, start super good. We good? We're happy? Quiz tomorrow. Everyone's going to rock it and roll it. All right, so 11E, we are reviewing. So make sure that I answer questions. Will, am I in your way? My big old noggin that's missing hair is not in your way? Okay, good. So what must we look for when we're adding and subtracting rational expressions? We need to make sure we have the same denominator. Duh. All right, so perform the indicated operation. So we're just going to add things together. Is everybody okay that I have a common denominator of x squared, x plus 3? Is that okay? So that means that we're just going to bring things down. See if you can follow my thought. I have 4, and I need to multiply that by x squared plus 3x. Minus 2, multiply that by x plus 3, plus 4, which is going to be x squared. All right, what did I do? First off, does everyone feel comfortable? This is the common denominator. So what I did is I looked at the first one and said, hey, I need to multiply the first one by x plus 3, which is the same thing as x squared plus 3x. Is that okay? Yes? Because I have to multiply this by x plus 3, I just made that x squared plus 3x. So my common denominator is x plus 3. That's because that's the same thing as x squared, right? So what I did is, because I already have this x down here, that means I need one more x and an x plus 3, but I went ahead and took the liberty of realizing that x times x is x squared plus 3x. So that's where that came from. And then the minus, I already had the x squared, so I just had to have to deal with the x plus 3 on the next one. And then the last one, I already had the x plus 3, so I had to take care of the x squared. Y'all smell that? You probably don't smell it yet because it's coming through my thing. Somebody's that or skunk is stuck in the filtration system. I don't know where the returns are on that, but it's coming through this way. Somebody's doing something on campus. All right, so I'm going to erase this. Is that okay? You can't smell it? Oh, I have a really wicked nose. Like, I can smell the green leafy stuff that you can get at these places that we have more of them around Starbucks. I can smell it like no other, and I don't know why, but it's coming through the filtration system right now. And I can feel the breeze coming at me, so I totally smell it. It's pretty weak.
There's no way.
It's pretty weak, but I got it. I can assure you it's taken place by one of the returns. Got it. I had it through my mask. I mean, that's how bad my nose is. All right, so I'm going to distribute the 4 over, so I get 4x squared plus 12x. Distribute the negative 2, so negative 2x minus 6, and then the 4x squared. And this is all going to be over x squared, x plus 3. Okay, 4x squared is 8x squared. I'm pretty happy about that. Plus 10x minus 6 over x squared, x plus 3. And let's see. One of my good factoring friends. Let's see, I'm going to factor a 2 out. That gives me 4x squared plus 5x minus 3 over x squared, x plus 3. My factoring best friends. Does that break down? Sure. Did we do that? I don't think it'll break down either. Cool. That's our answer. I'm not seeing it. Let's see. Two numbers that multiply together give me negative 12. Add together give me 5. Not going to work. I thought they were trying to trick me on that one. All right. Where can I move to now? I like this. I'm going to sit over here because I felt like I was blessing you. I thought I was compromising your education. Plus, I was getting a breeze of a scent of something that no one claims they can smell.
Yeah, I don't think it's.
Yeah, it's still there.
Is it like the bathroom, like right above us?
No, it's coming. So when I was sitting there at that vent, I have those things was blowing right at me. So it was totally in the breeze. So wherever the returns would be in the building, somebody is enjoying a little extracurricular activity that's legal in the state but illegal in the schools, supposedly. I don't know. This year might be different though. You know, COVID. Hey, the kids are dealing with a lot. Sorry. I have dealt with more emails this year. I even had a kid drop an F-bomb yesterday in class during a test. And then his dad's like, well, you obviously pushed him to that. You're right. I sure did. All right. I'm sorry. I'm off task. Friends, talk to me. What should I do? What does that break down to? Oh, I'm glad you guys know how to factor. And we're just adding fractions. Does everyone feel comfortable that my common denominator is this? Actually, I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm going to have it factored out. Shame on me. All right. Ready? What do I have to multiply this by to get under that denominator? X. Good. So x times x is x squared. Good with that so far? And then what do I have to multiply this by? X plus 3. Excuse me. That's 3x plus 9. Two numbers multiplied together to give me 9. Add together to give me 3. Nothing. That one's worked out. I want these to work out. I want something to cancel out. Doggone it. This isn't fun. All right. I feel good about this. How many pages do I have today? How many examples? Oh, really? No, there's got to be like, no, the graphing is not today. No, that's like so next week. Okay. All right, moving on. All right. So this first one breaks up, just breaking the denominator is this. This one breaks up to x plus 2, x minus 2. And this last one is just going to be x minus 2. So friends, what is my common denominator? Now, question, do I need to have 2x plus, do I have to have x plus 2 and x plus 2? I do. I do. And the reason I need to have that is it was listed twice here. So I have this. And then what's the other part of my denominator? What do I need? X minus 2. Okay. Is everybody okay with that? Emily, good with that? How'd the game go yesterday, by the way? Did you guys start crying?
No.
Did anybody on the team start crying?
No.
What happened? Was it my fault that I wasn't there? I'm sorry. Who'd you play? Seriously, like those prima donnas? Oh, man. All right.
Do they have red cards? Or just yellow cards? Oh.
All right.
Green cards.
All right, here we go. What should I multiply 2x plus 1 by to get the same denominator? Yeah, or minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Minus, what should I multiply the 6x by? X plus 2, excellent. And then plus 3. What should I multiply the x minus 2 by? X plus 2 quantity squared, which is the same thing as x squared plus 4x plus 4. Is that okay? Agree with the math? All right. Unfortunately, we're going to have to be foiling too many things here because we need to combine like terms. So the red's going to give me 2x squared minus 4x, that's minus 3x minus 2, then minus 6x squared minus 12x plus 3x squared plus 12x plus 12. And it's all going to be over the x plus 2x minus 2, but do you feel comfortable with the work I just did? That's ridiculous. Who is the jerk who gives these kinds of things to do? All right. Those are like terms. That gives me negative x squared. This and this and this are like terms. Well, those cancel out, so I get minus 3x plus 10. Is that right? All right, I need help. Let's see. Well, you all know I need help, so. So if I factor a negative out of that, I'm trying to see if this factors. Let's factor x plus 5, x minus 2. Is that okay? Oh, good. Something's going to cancel out now. So this is the denominator we're going to be over. So let's take what we had just put together, and it factors to negative x plus 5, x minus 2, over x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. This is a horrible problem. Did I give you a lot of these last night? So I know the girls lacrosse people are going to like yell at me. All right. There it is. That is nasty. I'll be sure I'll give about 5 or 6 of those on the test tomorrow. I don't think I will. We should just go get ice cream. Man, let's just play hide and seek. You guys want me to hide and you guys count? Okay. Come see me tomorrow. I'm wearing the same outfit. No one came and found me. I had a great spot. Oh, we didn't realize you wanted us to do that. All right, can I move on? Can we get away from this catastrophe? That one's ugly. Oh my gosh. All right. X to the negative 2 is the same thing as 1 over x squared. Agreed? You okay with that? So, my common denominator for just the red is going to be x squared minus 1. Is that okay? So that means I multiply the 1 by x squared minus 1, the 4 by x squared. So I'm still just working out just the top. I'm not messing with the bottom yet. Oh my gosh. I'm glad we saved this chapter till the end. Y'all would have dropped. Got out of my class, took a better teacher. 4x squared over x squared minus 1. So x squared plus 4x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Okay, that's my numerator. My numerator fraction. Then I have to go to this one. I know this is going to be x plus 3 and x minus 2. And this is going to be x and x plus 3. So the bottom portion of this, I'm going to have this as its denominator. Is that okay? So this isn't horrible. So I'll multiply that by x, so I get 3x minus. Oh, this one's a little friendlier. Yes, so says the teacher who can't even add. Yeah, that's me. Minus plus 4. Okay, so that's going to give me caramba. X plus 4 over x plus 3 over x minus 2. This is where the big sigh comes from, or the complaints. So I'm going to take this. Multiply by the reciprocal of this. Okay, this is not nice. Change colors, come on. X plus 3, x minus 2 over x plus 4. Are you kidding me? The only thing that cancels out is this x and that. Did I leave? Wait, what?
You have x squared minus 1 plus 4x, but it wouldn't be 4x squared. Nice problem.
Oh my god. So I made an error like in the beginning. There's one like that on the quiz tomorrow. We get to do it as a class. Because I will, man. I told you there was something coming out of that vent. All right. Agree? So I get 4 plus 2x plus 2, which is going to give me 2x plus 6 over x plus 1. So this is the top worked out. Oh, this is actually a little friendlier. So 2 times x plus 3 over x plus 1 times the reciprocal of that. And I feel comfortable about that problem. I think I'll have a problem like that on the quiz. Because it's always fun when I make the very in the beginning error, and then you get to discover how bad of a teacher I am. I'm sorry. All right, can I move to the next problem? So I'm going to multiply this by x minus 2, this by x and x. So I'm going to get 2x minus 4 plus 3x. So the top of that's going to become 5x minus 4 over x minus 2. Multiply by the reciprocal of this. Oh, thank goodness. We're going to get x minus 2 over 5. So that cancels that. That leaves me 5x minus 4 over just 5x. Friends, do not cancel the 5x's, please. Am I done yet? Who wants to do the next problem? Get the tablet on the desk, get it right with a cool pencil, pick colors. Sum of two cubes. Do we remember it? So a to the third plus b to the third is equal to a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. A to the third minus b to the third is a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Oh my goodness. So we're supposed to remember that? Yeah, right. Okay. X plus 3 How did I know that? I want the cube root of this, cube root of that. And then cube root of x to the third is x squared, followed by the minus 3 times x plus 9. It's factored. Cube root of this is going to be x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4. I think we're going to be scratching those off the test. Actually, I'll put them up on the board. Someone might miss it. All right, I get this one, 3x plus 1, 3x minus 1. I get this one. This is going to be 4x plus 9, 4x minus 9. And then this last one becomes 6x plus 5 and 6x minus 5. I'm happier about factoring those. Sum and difference of two cubes. What would be best for you? Do you want me to just put a total example problem on the board for you?
Take it off.
Just take it off. Just rip it off, and on the backside of it is a coupon for Starbucks.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions on those? Am I done? Okay, for the Unit 11 quiz. All right. I'm pretty sure this quiz is like the hardest quiz you're going to see all year. The nice thing is you won't have any homework. Get all done, my friend? Yay. Thank you. But no, it's not going to be that hard. You'll do fine. In fact, let's figure out something. I'll figure out something for you. We'll make it good. Partner?